Hi everybody, this time I would like to make a salt and pepper pork chop. And the pork chop, I use a pork loin, so I kind of slice it for a little smaller piece than the one that you have in the restaurant. So I believe that at home this will be a little bit easier for using chopstick. And I already marinated with a little salt, little pepper, a little of hondashi, the fish powder, a little of sugar, and potato starch. Mix it up with water and a little bit of oil. So this is the red onion, garlic, and serrano pepper, and a little sweet red pepper. And now, because we have to fry it, we have to fry the pork, so I'm gonna put a little batter to mix it up with the pork together. Just a little bit. To make sure that it's crispy. All right, let's heat up the oil. Let's see how hot it is. Take a little bit, so yeah, we should start. So we're gonna make sure that it's crispy. So after we have to fry it like 3 times to making sure that the oil is hot enough to make it crispy. Okay, let's pick it up. Make sure the oil is hot enough for the second run. Alright, the second time is done, so wait until the third time, make sure that everything is crispy. Alright, let's do the third time. Good. Beautiful. All right. All right. Now we heat up the wok and put some cold oil in it. Just about 2 tablespoons. Kind of stir fry the garlic. Onion. Now we can turn off the fire. Put the pork together. Then we put some salt. The salt that I use is already mixed with a little spice on it. About half tablespoon of fish powder. Mix it up. All right, that's it. There we have it. Enjoy.